Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain you regarding flip-flop. Starting with SR flip-flop, I have S and R over here and Q. S stands for set, R stands for reset, and there are four different inputs over here. I'm giving 0 0, I'm giving 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So when I'm giving 0 0, the last value will continue in the output. When it is 0 1, if it is in set condition, it will go into reset condition. Okay, if it is 1 and 0, if it is in reset condition, it will come to set condition. Okay, if it is 1 and 1, it will be invalid state. So let us see how it is working. So for that I have taken the flip-flop circuit over here. These two probes will be giving me the Q and Q bar value. Okay, means whatever coming over here in the Q, the opposites will come over here, and these switches are SR and clock switches, right? So let me start the simulation. Okay, start the simulation. Now you can see the clock is high, so I'm making the clock low. Then I'm changing S as well as R, so you can see there is no change in the output. Now what I will do is that I'm putting the clock as high, then I'm changing S to 0, R to 0, so there is no change in the output. I'm putting R as 1, so there is a reset condition, you can see. Now if I open R and I'll put S as 1, it is a set condition. Okay, if I put both as high, see it's Q and Q are both are coming high, so it's an invalid state. Okay, now let's move to the next flip flop. You can see over here I have taken D flip flop. So over here if I give 0, the output should be 0. If it is 1, the output should be 1. Condition, the clock should be high. So I'm opening the clock over here. Now D is 1, I'm getting 1. I make D as 0, still it is 1. Okay, now let us see if the clock is high, what is going to happen. If clock is high, okay, you can see D is 0, I'm getting 0. If I make D as 1, I'll get 1. D is 0, again it is 0. Okay, so it is valid with the truth table, right? Next move on to JK flip flop over here. Okay, so let's set. So over here you can see in JK flip flop I have J, K and Q, right? If it is 0 0, the last value. If it is 0 1, is a reset. 1 0 set, 1 1 toggle. So let us see it is happening or not. So if I open the clock over here, you can see J is 1, K is 0. I get set condition. Let me check. If I open J, okay, and put K, there is no change. Okay, now what I will do, I'll put J as 1. I'll put the clock. Okay, now I'm putting J as 0 and K as 0. So last value is prevailing. If I put K equals to 1, you'll find it's a reset condition. Okay, now if I put J equals to 1, is a set condition. Now if I put both as 1 1, then toggle. It is toggling. Okay, but it's very difficult to identify if it's toggling or not. So what I will do is that I will just pause it. Okay, or rather I will stop it out. Then to show that, I'm just taking one oscilloscope from here so that you can see clearly what exactly is happening. So I'm taking oscilloscope and I'm connecting this one to this point, and B I'm taking over here. Okay, and let me open this oscilloscope. So this is my oscilloscope which is available over here. Okay, you can see the screen is a black in color. So let me adjust the screen first. So time scale taking it's a millisecond, and A, B I'll making it down rather, so it will be very clear to visualize. Okay, so I've adjusted the screen now. Let us see what exactly is happening over here. Open and let me trigger it on J and K, trigger the circuit. So I've triggered it. So you see the red line, the J is high, K is low. Now I'm opening J, I'm putting K. You can see J is coming low, the lower one is K, the K is high and it's moving. Now I open both the things. Okay, so it will be 0 0, same state. Now what I will put J equals to 1. Okay, and then I'll put what, K equals to 1. You see it's toggled in the same state, it is there. Okay, it's not going further. And this is 0. Okay, and earlier case when again I'm in toggle state, you can see This is 0, this is 1. Okay, J is 0, K is 1. So this is toggling actually. Okay, here is very fastly it is going on, so we are unable to identify, but here you can see this. Okay, so this is how my different types of flip-flops are working. Okay, thank you for watching this video.